Cieri, catcher from the University of Maryland. I'm from Hainesport, New Jersey.
Hi, I'm Kirschbaum. I'm a pitcher at the University of Maryland, Baltimore County, and I'm from Commerce, Michigan.
My name is Corey Fields, pitcher. I'm from Hyattsville, Maryland, and my college right now is undecided. I just graduated from Prince George's Community College.
Nick Vogelmeier, Lake Orion, Middle Infield, Western Michigan University.
Patrick Burke, pitcher, third base, Montgomery College, West Springfield, Virginia.
The Philadelphia Phillies.
The Detroit Tigers.
My favorite MLB team is the Washington Nationals.
Detroit Tigers.
Washington Nationals.
Chase Utley.
Miguel Cabrera.
It's Marcus Stroman.
Miguel Cabrera.
Max Scherzer.
Reese's Puffs.
Wheaties.
Player cereal will have to be Captain Crunch.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Frosted Flakes.
Probably Fury.
Top Gun.
My favorite movie will have to be Four Brothers.
Step Brothers.
Moneyball.
I don't have one.
Anything country?
No, not really a country guy.
Berserk by Eminem.
My favorite song, I don't really have a favorite song.
Anything country?
No.
Sweet Home Alabama?
Sweet Home Alabama.
Any of them.
Any songs?
Yeah.
Gotta pick one.
I don't even know.
Anything country?
Yeah.
Outsiders by Eric Church.
Going to Super Regionals with my team.
With Maryland?
Yeah, with Maryland.
No hitting our rivals to win our regional.
Is going to the championship in high school back-to-back years.
Winning the MAC tournament.
Winning a district championship in high school.
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Have to be Aladdin. Well, not Aladdin, but what was the first name?
Jasmine.
Jasmine from Aladdin.
Ariel.
Elsa.
Jared Price.
Jonathan Papelbon.
My favorite TBolt. Doug Raymer.
Who?
Doug Raymer.
Kyle Conger.
I have to go with Eddie Figueroa.
I would be probably at home, relaxing, working out. That'd probably be about it. Hanging with my friends.
Hanging out on my friend's boat.
I'll be working, training players at gyms and facilities.
Working.
Studying for my business degree.
Probably a bear.
I will be a cheetah.
A leopard.
A tiger.
The sniper and the wolf.
I'm in between books right now.
Driven by Donald Driver.
I'm in between.
I'm between books.